Okay, now this is most important part, which is called as significant figure, right? What is that significant figure? Significant figure are the number of digits in the measured value. If you are doing any measurement, तो उसमें कितने number of digit है about which we are sure that this is the correct value, right? कि उस measurement पे इतने number तो यहाँ तक तो correct है, ये हम बता रहे हैं, right? So the number of digit in the measured value about the correctness of which we are sure, okay? ठीक है कि यहाँ तक ये तो करेक्ट है, ये मेजरमेंट मैंने जो किया है वो करेक्ट है इस पर्टिकुलर स्केल में, प्लस वन मोर डाउटफुल डिजिट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ दिस वन, मतलब जहाँ तक हम श्योर है उतने नंबर्स प्लस वन मोर डिजिट is known as significant figure. अब now this try to understand this one. Okay, suppose this is the scale. मैंने यहाँ पे break इसलिए किया कि this is long scale, तो I cannot draw this scale here. ठीक है, तो you can see that ये 0 से start हो रहा है, फिर यहाँ पे आ गया, यहाँ पे 9 आ गया, फिर 10 आ गया, 11 आ गया, right? तो this is the scale we have. With the help of this scale we are measuring the length of this. Suppose rod है, length of the rod measure कर रहा है. This is also long rod and scale को भी मैंने break कर दिया. It doesn't mean कि यहाँ से break हुई है. Okay, now you can see that this end is at 0, but 0 of the scale, and this end is in between. You can see that this is 10, this is 11, this is 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, and it is in between 10 point कितना है ये 10.3 हो गया 10.3 और कितना बोलोगे. Now it is somewhere here, so it is a imaginary line which we can draw here, and we can say that is around. Okay, यहाँ से अगर मैं draw line कर सकता हूँ, it is approximately equal to 5 or 6. So if I take a 6, okay, so this is the doubtful digit. 6 is the doubtful digit, okay, and if it is in centimeter, so I can say that this is equal to this one 10.36. So these are the four significant digits for this measurement. Out of these 10.3 तो मैं surely कह सकता हूँ कि 10.3 मतलब 1, 0 and 3, these are the sure number of significant figure. बराबर है, sure number of significant figure, but 6 is the doubtful. Still I have written over there. बराबर है. So these are becomes the 6 significant figures. Out of these 6 significant figures, the rightmost digit is the least significant figure, and leftmost digit is the most significant figure. मतलब 6 जो हमारा हो जाएगा वो least significant digit हो जाएगा, and rightmost जो 1 होगा that is more significant digit. समझ में? So this is the way we identify the significant figures, and now there are few rules, so that we'll try to understand. Okay, just we'll try to understand the rules to find out the significant figure of any measurement. Okay, just a minute. Got it?